Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're on your way home from a trip abroad, and suddenly your flight gets canceled. What would you do? That's exactly what today's story is about. Don't worry, the conversation is simple, and I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. Why was Mina and Sam's flight canceled? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. And just one more thing before we start. I recently started a channel membership. If you've already joined, thank you so much. I'll keep doing my best to support your English learning journey. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Wow, I can't believe our trip is already over.
I know. It went by so fast.
Yeah, but I'm really tired now. I just want to go home and sleep.
Me too. This week was so fun, but I'm exhausted.
Did you buy a lot of souvenirs?
Yes, I did. Maybe too many. My bag is so heavy now.
Same here. I bought so many things for my family.
My suitcase is really full. I think it might be too heavy.
Don't worry. I'm sure it will be fine.
I hope so. Okay, let's go to the check-in counter.
Good idea. Our flight is in 3 hours, but we should check in now.
Yes, and after that, we can relax at the gate.
Exactly. I want to get some coffee, too.
That sounds good. Let's go. The counter is over there.
Hello. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Okay. Let me put it on the scale.
Sure.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your bag is over the weight limit. It's 28 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms.
Oh no, really? That's 5 kilograms over?
Yes, I'm afraid so. You have 2 options. You can pay an extra fee, or you can take some things out of your suitcase.
How much is the extra fee?
It's $80 for 5 kilograms over.
Wow, that's expensive. Let me think. Maybe I should take some things out.
That's fine. You can use that table over there. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll be quick. Okay, I took out some heavy souvenirs and a few books. Can you check it again?
Of course. Let me weigh it again. Oh, good news. It's 22.5 kilograms now. That's perfect.
Oh, that's a relief.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 3:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Okay, now we need to go through security.
Please put all your bags and items in the tray. Take out your laptop and liquids.
Okay, just a moment.
Also, please take off your jacket and shoes.
Oh, okay.
Now you can walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please step aside for a moment.
Oh, is something wrong?
We found a liquid item in your bag. Is this your water bottle?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry, I forgot about it.
You can't bring liquids over 100 milliliters through security. That means big bottles are not allowed. This bottle is full. You need to throw it away or empty it.
Oh, I see. I didn't know that.
I'll empty it now. Where can I do that?
There's a sink right over there.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, it's empty now. Can I go through now?
Yes, you're all set. Please collect your belongings.
Thank you.
That took a while. Is everything okay?
Yeah, but they stopped me because of my water bottle. I forgot to empty it.
Oh, that happens to everyone. Don't worry about it.
I know, but first my luggage was too heavy, and now this. Today is not going well.
It's okay. These things happen. Let's just get to the gate and relax.
You're right. I hope nothing else goes wrong today.
Don't worry. The hard part is over. Now we can just wait for our flight. Finally, we're at the gate. Let's sit down. I'm so tired.
Me too. What time is it now?
It's 2:45. We have about 45 minutes before boarding.
Good. I'm going to close my eyes for a bit.
That's a good idea. I might do the same.
Wait, did you hear that announcement?
No, I didn't. What did it say?
I'm not sure. It was in English, but they spoke too fast. I couldn't understand.
Don't worry. If it's important, they'll say it again. Or we can check the screen.
Look at the screen. It says our flight is delayed.
Oh no. Let me see. Yes, you're right. It says delayed.
Do you know why? Does it say anything?
Yes, it says because of weather. There's snow at our destination.
Snow? Oh no. How long is the delay?
It doesn't say yet. It just says to wait for more information.
This is not good. I really want to go home today.
I know, me too. But there's nothing we can do about the weather. We just have to wait.
You're right. I hope it's not a long delay. Maybe just 1 or 2 hours?
Yeah, hopefully. Let's get some coffee while we wait.
Okay, that sounds good. But I have a bad feeling about this. Sam, look at the screen again.
Why? What's wrong?
The status changed. It doesn't say delayed anymore.
Let me see. Oh no. It says canceled.
Canceled? That means we can't fly today?
I'm afraid so. The snow must be very bad.
This is terrible. What are we going to do?
We need to talk to the airline staff. They can help us find another flight.
But look at the line. So many people are waiting.
I know. It's going to take a long time, but we have no choice.
Can we fly tomorrow?
I hope so, but I'm not sure. Many flights might be canceled tomorrow too, if the snow continues.
Oh no. So we might be stuck here for days?
Let's not think about that yet. First, let's wait in this line and see what they can do for us.
Okay, but I'm really worried. I didn't bring extra clothes for more days.
Me neither. But let's stay calm. We'll figure something out.
I really can't believe this is happening. This is the worst day.
I know, it's frustrating, but at least we're safe and we're together.
You're right. Thank you for staying positive.
We finally got to talk to the staff. That took 2 hours.
Yes, my feet hurt from standing so long. So what did they say?
They put us on a flight tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Tomorrow morning? So we can't go home tonight?
No, we can't. We need to find a hotel for tonight.
Did they offer us a hotel?
No, they said the cancellation was because of weather, so it's not their responsibility. That's the airline's rule. We have to pay for our own hotel.
That's not fair. But okay, let's search for a hotel nearby.
I already tried on my phone. All the hotels near the airport are fully booked.
What? All of them?
Yes, I think many people from our flight had the same idea. Everyone is looking for hotels.
This just keeps getting worse. What are we going to do?
I think we have to stay at the airport tonight.
Sleep at the airport? Is that safe?
Yes, it should be. The airport is open all night, and there are security guards everywhere.
I've never slept at an airport before. I don't think I can sleep well.
I know it's not ideal, but we don't have many options. It's just for one night.
You're right. We don't have a choice. Okay, let's find a quiet area to rest.
Good idea. Let's also get some food and water. It's going to be a long night.
Yes, and maybe a blanket if they sell one here.
That's a great idea. Let's look around.
Look, there are many other people sleeping here too.
Yes, I guess we're not the only ones with canceled flights.
That makes me feel a little better. At least we're not alone.
Should we talk to some of them? Maybe they have helpful information.
That's a good idea. Let's ask that couple over there.
Excuse me, did your flight get canceled too?
Yes, unfortunately. We were supposed to fly to Tokyo, but our flight was canceled because of the snow.
Us too. We're going to Tokyo as well.
It seems like all the Tokyo flights today were canceled.
Really? That's terrible. Did you find a hotel?
No, we tried, but everything was booked, so we decided to stay here at the airport.
We're doing the same thing. Have you stayed at an airport before?
Yes, once. It's not comfortable, but it's okay for one night. The important thing is to find a quiet spot away from the gates.
That's good advice. Thank you.
Also, if you have a jacket or sweater, use it as a pillow, and try to keep your bags close to you.
Okay, we'll do that. Do you know what time the first flight leaves tomorrow?
I think around 6 a.m., but you should check with your airline to confirm.
Our flight is at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh, that's later than ours. We're on the 7 a.m. flight.
I hope all the flights tomorrow will actually take off.
Me too. The weather forecast says the snow will stop tonight, so tomorrow should be better.
That's good news. Thank you for the information.
No problem. We're all in this together. Good luck tonight.
Thank you. You too.
They seem nice. I feel better knowing other people are in the same situation.
Me too. And their advice was helpful. Let's find our spot and try to rest.
Good idea. How about over there? That corner looks quiet.
Yes, that looks good. Let's go.
Here, you can use my jacket as a pillow.
Are you sure? What about you?
I'll use my backpack. Don't worry about me.
Thank you. You're very kind.
It's no problem. We need to help each other. Try to get some sleep. Tomorrow will be a better day.
I hope so. Good night, Sam.
Good night, Mina.
Sam, wake up. I heard an announcement.
Huh? What time is it?
It's 6:30 in the morning. The announcement said flights are starting again.
Really? That's great news.
Yes. Let me check the screen for our flight.
Okay, I'll pack up our things.
Sam, our flight is on time. It says boarding at 8:30.
That's wonderful. We can finally go home today.
Yes, I'm so relieved. I was worried we'd be stuck here for another day.
Me too. How did you sleep last night?
Not very well, The floor was hard and it was noisy, but I did sleep a little bit. What about you?
Same here. My back hurts, and I'm very tired, but I'm just happy we can leave today.
Me too. Should we get some breakfast before we board?
Yes, that's a good idea. I'm hungry, and we have about 2 hours before boarding.
There's a cafe over there. Let's go.
Perfect. I need coffee too. I'm so sleepy.
Me too.
You know, even though yesterday was terrible, I'm glad we experienced it together.
What do you mean?
Well, sleeping at the airport is not something most people do. It was hard, but it's also a unique memory, and you were there with me, so it wasn't so bad.
That's true. Now we have a good story to tell our friends.
Exactly. They won't believe we slept on the airport floor.
Yes, but I don't want to do it again.
Me neither. Next time we'll check the weather forecast before we travel.
Good idea. And maybe we should always bring extra clothes, just in case.
Yes, that's smart. Well, let's get that breakfast. I can't wait to be on the plane.
Me too. After this long night, sitting in a comfortable airplane seat will feel amazing.
Absolutely. And when we get home, we can finally sleep in our own beds.
I can't wait for that. Let's go get some food. I'm really hungry now.
Come on, let's go. Our trip home is finally starting.
Yes, even after the worst day at the airport, I'm happy we're going home together.
Me too, Mina. Me too.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. Why was Mina and Sam's flight canceled? The answer was in the conversation. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English, even short sentences, is a great way to improve your English skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and speaking step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And before we finish, just one more small thing. If you found this video helpful or valuable, I would really appreciate your support through channel membership. You can join by clicking the membership button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.